Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to fix Play Store not able to download apps warning. First of all, to fix a Google Play Store that cannot download apps, start by clearing cache and data for Play Store app. Now, to do that, all you have to do is hit long press your Play Store application icon, then head to this I option, which is information. Scroll a little bit down there, head to storage and clear the data and clear the cache. Now it should be fine once you've done that. Now what you can do is go ahead and head to your settings, then type storage in your search option and ensure that you have at least 1 GB of free storage space. Or what you can do is go ahead and check your Wi-Fi. Sometimes the Wi-Fi might also cause interruptions while downloading from your store. Now, if this does not help, what you want to do is go ahead and restart your phone. Now, also checking date and time settings, because incorrect date time settings can cause connectivity issues with Google servers. Ensure they are set to automatic. And another option is long press on Google Play Store app, then head to this I option. From here, now what you can do is head to Google and also try to re-log in your Gmail account, which might also help you with better connection. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.